How to use monday.com as a CRM in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for powerful and flexible CRM tool in 2025, monday.com might just be the perfect solution for your business. Whether you are a solopreneur or sales team lead or small business owner, this platform is more than just project management. It is full-blown CRM system you can completely tailor to your workflow. Now, from this, what to expect from this video? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up, customize and automate and optimize monday.com as a CRM step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to handle leads, manage leads, track communication, automate tasks, and even send quotes and invoices all within the monday.com. Now, who is this for? So this tutorial is perfect for beginner just starting with monday.com or who wants to take their CRM game to the next level. Now let's get started with monday.com. So to sign up and access CRM, go to monday.com and sign up using Google account or email or anything. Now once you are inside, you have to select the CRM from the template center or click on the use CRM during onboarding. So let's get started with continue with the Google. So what I'm going to do, I will just simply add my account over here. So when they ask select what you would like to manage first, then you have to choose sales and CRM. So it's just for, you can always add more in the future, but just select sales and CRM right now. Then select what you would like to focus on first, which is sales pipeline, marketing activities. It helps them to tailor the best experience for you. So just simply use let me sales pipeline. Just go with the sales pipeline. One last question, how did you hear about? So it's about with the email or just search engine or Google. Now hit the continue button, and after that you will be land on the dashboard of monday.com getting your CRM ready. So then you will be asked to add your team members. Right now I don't want that, I will say remind me later. So add your data to see your CRM in action. So you can connect with your Google or you can connect with your Microsoft. Now I will go with the do not connecting with any sensing. So it basically automatically populate your CRM with contact information. You can track email interaction within your CRM. So I will not do that now. So you can give a name to your contact board. So let's say contact one and hit enter. And do you use any of these tools? So I will use this one and hit the enter. Next. Do you next. Okay, so I just nexted. Now this is overview of your Monday CRM. Now if you see, this is your Monday CRM dashboard, and the left side we have your boards and workspaces, and this is workspace. In that workspace we have this workspace which we have created just now, and then we have contact, deals, lead, activities, and product and services and all those stuff. So if you go and key CRM entities, let's break down the core elements. So this is leads. From here you can new prospect not yet qualified right now. So yeah, let's move to contact. This is the contact. From here you can individual people you are talking to, you can save them over here. These are the leads, and from here you can import all of those things. So yeah, let's move to set up your CRM board. So first, by default, Monday gives you board like lead, contact, account, and all of those things. Now you have to customize your board. Click on this three dot and customize columns. So just simply click on this here. From here you can manage your workspace or you can edit your workspace. You can rename your workspace. You can change the icon of your workspace. So as you can see here, I can easily change my workspace. If you go into leads, from here you can add new group, you can add a new lead from here. So yeah, this is how you can customize it. Now let's move to manage your leads and contacts. So let's create your new workspace from here, and then we will go with the new section. Click on this add workspace. Now let's say you are managing some marketing stuff, so give, so for example, marketing. And if it is from here, you can choose privacy. If you selected open, every team member in the account can join this workspace. If you click on this close, so from here, close workspace available for only enterprises, so you have to upgrade for that. Click on the add workspace. So from here you can customize your workspace. You can select what you manage with your team. You can adjust later, but you can manage it from here. Let's say product and services, I don't want. Client project, okay. See activity, see every activity that has been added. Then you have accounts, then you have lead. So just click on the next and click on the save. This is a basic template which we are going to use in this workspace. So if you want to build it from scratch, you can build it from scratch, but as a beginner I suggest you to use templates. Now wait for a few seconds, it is setting up your items. So now we have successfully created our workspace. Now let's deep dive into one of the most important part of any CRM, which is managing your leads and contacts. First, let's manage your leads. So this is the lead section. So these are some example. So first, let's talk about leads. These are the potential customer who haven't been qualified yet. In your leads port, you can manually add new lead by clicking on the new item and give each lead a name and assign a rep. Set their status like new, contacted, or qualified, and track important information like company, source, and deal potential. Now, here's where Monday.com shines. You can go to the right menu and click on the form view. So just click on this plus icon, and from here you can search for form. You can see form and convert your lead board into public form. Just simply click on it, and as you can see here, this is a public form. So you can then share this with your website visitor or embed into your landing page. Every submission goes directly into your CRM board, fully organized. You can also automate actions. For example, when new lead is added and assigned to a specific rep, you can send welcome emails and change the status. Then you can add contacts as well. Now let's do that. Let's if you want to customize this form, you can customize it. But let's say click on this edit form, and from here you can add widgets as like from here. So let's say we have added all the some important things. So if you go into thank you page, this is after the submission, it will something appear in front of the user, and this is the text. If you want to add images or anything related to uh, basically uh, submitting your form, you can add it. Now you can copy this link or integrate into your website as well. So let's move back to our view. So go to lead submission form. From here you can access the main table. Okay, this is main table. Let's say if you want to add a new group, you can add that too. And if you want to add a new lead by just and manually, you can add that by clicking on this add new. Let's say this is maker Scott, and if you go into status, it will create a new lead. So set the status, it is unqualified. Activities time, you can set it. Let's go to activity, and from here you can see attempt into contact, and click on this contacted and click on this qualified. Okay, reopen and save this. So as you can see here, we have added this. Okay, so we have added activities timeline. Then from here you can create a contact, company title, you can give title, you can add email address over here, then you can add phone number, then a last interaction as well, you can add that. Then you have activity sequence. Let's say if you want to add some different thing into your leads, let's say you want to add a comment, just simply select the comment, and here we go, into your column you can add comment. This is a comment, let's say hello, please contact this person. So this is how you can basically customize. It's very simple. Now let's move to different, which is a contact management. So this is a contacts. From here you can manage your all the contacts. Now let's talk about contact. These are the actual people you are in touch with. Each contacts can be linked to a company account using the connect board. So if John, as you can see, we have some examples over here. So this is a main table, and if you want to move to connect boards, just simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can let me search for that file, Kanban, calendar, and activity tracker table. So I think there is no option of board over here, so let me move to different one. Okay, from here I'm not able to see the board view, but okay, that's fine. So you can also segment contacts by status, as we did with our leads, or sorry, with our with our customers. So keep your contact record updated. It's easy to just clicking into the item to edit details like phone number, email address, and position, and even add notes or files related to the past conversation. So yeah, that's how easy to manage and enrich your leads and contacts in Monday.com CRM. So let's say if you want to add a contact manually, the process is very easy. So that it helps basically to manage your leads and contacts. Now let's move to different section. Now let's set up and manage your sales pipeline inside and deal board inside your monday.com. So start by navigating to your CRM workspace and clicking on the deals over here. Now in this we have deals, and this is a deal panel. Now open CRM workspace from the sidebar if you haven't opened. Now let's understand the structure over here. So each item here represent a sale opportunity. The board is grouped by pipeline stages like discovery, proposal, navigation, and so on and so forth. Uh, as you can see here, active deals, closed won, and a lot of things. However, or group names, like as you can see here, this is a group name. From here, you can change the name from here as well. You can add new group over here by clicking on this add new group. Now from here you can just drag a list to a different, different group. Let's drag this deal into different group. So yeah, this is how you can do that. Within your deals you can track everything like deal value, close deal. As you can see here, we have deal value, then account, then expected date, then we have close probability and forecast value, last interaction, and cost invoices, a lot of other things. Now let's move to switch to Kanban views. Want more visual view of your pipeline? Just click view on this pipeline. From here you can access this. Now if you want to move to Kanban, just click on this add view. From here you can choose Kanban view. So wait for a few seconds. So as you can see here, this is how you can look like. You can drag deal from proposal send to negotiation. Just simply drag this to negotiation one. So it's very easy and very important. Now you can, if you want to add something, this is it's like card. Let's add one more deal over here into proposal, just to show you how you can add. Let's say click on this add new over here. Let's say this is our deal. Now if we have to, you can create sub deal as well. So you can choose stages. Okay, now let's customize your Kanban card. Then we have close probability, then you can add forecast as well. Then okay, that's okay. You can, from I think from here you cannot add, you have to go to main table. From here you can add new deal. Let's move to Canva. Let's see if we can add a new thing over here. Okay, here we go. To add new deal, what you have to do is just simply click on this plus button icon, and from here you can change the deal name. Just simply click on this edit option, and from here you can change the name of your deal. Let's say XYZ. So this is how you can add new contacts into your deals. Oh, sorry, you can add new deals into your deals. So let's customize your pipeline. So to customize, click on the group name or rename it as we did over here. So negotiation, or just simply deal number 3. So you can add new group or name like legal review or lot of whatever name you want to add, you can add from here. So yeah, this is how you can build you can manage your sales pipeline. So this is a pipeline basically. As you can see here, it looks good, to be honest. So let's move to next section. Let's talk about communication and activities and all. So first, which is email and activities, you can connect Gmail and Outlook. As you can see here, I have removed that option from here. So you can connect your Gmail or Outlook to send receive emails. You can use templates and sequences. You can create email templates for outreach to set automation sequence like send follow-up email 2 days after the contact added. So you can add automations using this option. So if you want tutorial for this, you can just simply comment it down. I will make a deep dive into that. We will create automation using uh, Monday CRM. So yeah, best practice tips: you can set mandatory field for leads, use duplicate detection and cleanup weekly, use roles and permission, define who can view and edit board, and use guest access for external stakeholders. So that's the yeah. So today you have learned how to set up your CRM. Then you have learned how to track leads and deals. You can automate your workflows, use email, AI tools. Now that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.